Have you ever wondered how long it would take for your savings to double if invested at a certain interest rate? Today, we're diving into the Rule of 72 and showing you how easy it is to estimate that time in seconds. Imagine having $10,000 today. By the end of this video, you'll be able to tell when it'll grow to $20,000 just using a simple formula. Ready? The Rule of 72 is a quick way to estimate how long it will take for an investment to double, based on its annual rate of return. To use the rule, simply divide 72 by your expected annual interest or growth rate. For example, if you expect a 6% return on investment, it would take roughly 12 years for your money to double 72 divided by 6. This is like baking. Put in all the right ingredients in this case, time and interest, and out comes a delicious financial cake. But wait, many people think you need complex formulas or professional advice for such calculations. Not true. The Rule of 72 is straightforward and can be applied quickly in your head, making it perfect for those what-if scenarios when discussing finances with friends or family. Let's see why this matters. Consider a real-life situation. If you're 30 years old and invest $10,000 today with an annual return rate of 8%, your investment could double to about $20,000 in just under 9 years. That's like watching a tree grow from a sapling to fully mature in less time than it takes to complete high school. However, the Rule of 72 isn't perfect. It works best with interest rates between 6% and 10%. For lower or higher rates, it's a bit less accurate. Still, for quick estimates in everyday discussions about finances, it's spot on. Remember, this is general educational content to help you understand how money grows, but it isn't personalized financial advice. Always consult a professional before making significant investment decisions. In summary, the Rule of 72 is your secret weapon for quick financial estimates. Whether you're saving for retirement or planning a big purchase, this simple rule can guide you in understanding how long it takes to double your investment. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe for more practical financial tips that can help you make informed decisions about your money. Until next time.